Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Robinhood account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Robinhood account, start by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to access the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Account section and tap on it. Now, scroll down to find the option that says Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account to proceed. Robinhood will ask you to confirm your identity for security purposes. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, which may include entering your passcode or answering security questions. After verification, you'll be presented with information about what happens when you delete your account. Read through the information carefully to understand the consequences of closing your account. If you're ready to proceed, tap on the confirmation button to finalize the cancellation of your account. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. You'll receive a notification or email confirming that your account is set to be deleted. Keep an eye on your email for any future communications regarding your account status. Once your account is deleted, you will no longer be able to access it or retrieve any data. Make sure to withdraw any remaining funds from your account before starting this process if you haven't done so already. That's how to cancel your Robinhood account step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.